This cocktail is kind of like a martini. The main ingredient is gin, and it's got a little apricot brandy, so martini fans will probably like this. It's called a Douglas Fairbanks. Who Douglas Fairbanks is, I don't know. I don't even know if it's the name of the guy that invented the drink, but this is it. Let's get our martini glass. Let's have it chilling off to the side with ice, and actually I could probably add a little water in there, will help get good coverage on the cold. Let's take our shaker glass, and we're going to fill it with ice. And now the main ingredient is the gin. We're going to use 2 ounces. Let's break out our jigger here to help us with this pour. It's a 1 ounce jigger, so we're going to do this twice. Like so. And our apricot brandy, apricot, ½ ounce of that. And we're going to finish off with a splash, just a splash of sour mix. As best as I can do a splash. Doink. That's good. All right. And we'll shake it up. Get it nice and cold. Very refreshing looking, this Douglas Fairbanks. I think you might have been onto something. Check this out. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to try some of that. That looks delicious. Down the hatch.